Become a Techie YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can enable the developer tab in our Excel workbook or in our Excel application. So first of all we have to click on any of these tabs. Right now I am in home, so just give a right click here and you can see there are two options: customize the ribbon and collapse the ribbon. So click on first one, that is customize the ribbon, and here you can see you have on the right hand side you have this customize the ribbon, and there are so many options. So you have home, insert, so whatever is displaying here like home, insert, page layout, all those are like ticked or they are checked. Okay, so here you can see developer, so just give a check on the developer, and you have this small arrow. So if you expand it, you can see there are code, add-ins, control, XML. So these are the sub categories that are available in developer. Okay, so you can just check on this, so you will be able to see all these categories. Okay, when it appears on the ribbon. Okay, so just give a check and then give OK. So now you can see here developer tab has been added here, and if you see here are code, add-ins, controls, all these sections are appearing here. And here in the code section you can see Visual Basic, macros, and all macro related functions are available here. So whenever you are working with macros, the first thing you have to do is you have to enable this developer tab here. So this is how you can enable it or add it in the ribbon. So this is all about today's video. If you like the video, please like the video and share it and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.